In this video, I will show you how to add auto caption to a video on CapCut. So after you open the CapCut like this, now here is my voice. So right click on the voice or the video you want to create the auto caption to it. After you right click, now go to this create compound clip. After you create compound clip for the audio, then go to this caption. After you go to caption, now select the language in this option. My language is English. That's language for the voice. So click on this generate. So after it finish, as you can see now, after it finish taking time, it will generate the caption for you. Now here is your caption. So if you want to add style to your caption, select all the caption like this. After you select all the caption, so go to this text and then go to this animation. Under the animation, go to captions. After you go to captions, so from there now it will give you different animation for your caption. So for me, I'll go with this one. So after you select, it will show you the preview of the animation for your caption. So go ahead now and select the one you want to use. But for me, I will go with this one. So let's play the video and see how it works. So you can see here is it. If you change it, just select all the caption, go to this option, and you can select the one you want to use for your video. And that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe. That's it, guys, on how to create caption on video in CapCut.